L-għasafar tal-baħar iqattaw ħafna minn ħajjithom ifittxu l-ikel fuq baħar miftuħ, mijiet ta' kilometri l-bogħod mill-bejtiet tagħhom u jirritornaw lejn l-art biss biex ibejtu. Illum l-għasafar tal-baħar qed jiffaċċjaw sfidi differenti hekk kif ħafna mill-popolazzjonijiet ta' dawn l-għasafar qed jonqsu globalment. Imma x'inhu l-akbar periklu li jiltaqgħu miegħu dawn l-għasafar sbieħ meta jkunu fuq il-baħar?
The great threat is the intensive fishing methods. What happened? We had new technology achievements, and now we can target the fish stocks easily, and we have developed, thanks to the new technologies, more aggressive gears, like huge purseeiners or bottom trawling from the sea, and all that. So this is a big threat not only to seabirds, but also to the small-scale fisheries, to the local communities, to all life in the sea.
Il-qbid aċċidentali jew kif huwa magħruf il-bycatch jiġi kkawżat mill-użu ta' metodi tas-sajd mhux selettivi u huwa theddida serja għal ħafna speċi tal-baħar bħall-għasafar tal-baħar. Meta jkunu qed ifittxu l-ikel fuq il-baħar, eluf ta' għasafar jispiċċaw feruti jew imutu kull sena marqin f'tagħmir tas-sajd. X'għamlet il-komunità internazzjonali biex tindirizza din il-problema?
The reduction or the mitigation of incidental catches of protected species in commercial fisheries is a crucial challenge to be tackled. The environmental sustainability of fishing under an ecosystem approach is an international obligation in the Mediterranean and also globally. It's worth mentioning the European Regulation on Technical Measures or the different recommendations by the General Fisheries Commission for the Mediterranean regarding seabirds, turtles, marine mammals and sharks and rays.
L-obbligi internazzjonali jirrikjedu sforzi b'saħħithom mill-pajjiżi rispettivi biex jikkumbattu il-problema tal-bycatch. Liema tip ta' azzjoni tista' tgħinhom?
In my opinion, we have to focus on three main areas. First, we have to be aware of the problem. To know the problem, we need to knowledge what the seabird loss is meaning and try to spread all these messages. But to know the problem, we have to count the problem. We have to go for electronic monitoring of all bycatches. We have to use technology for us. Then we have to be sure that all subsidies, all the public money or the taxpayers' money are going to friendly gears, friendly to seabirds and friendly to environment.
B'xorti tajba f'ħafna reġjuni tal-Mediterran, il-ħidma biex jitnaqqas il-qbid aċċidentali tal-ispeċi marittimi f'tagħmir tas-sajd diġà bdiet. Ejja nisimgħu dwar l-esperjenza tar-reġjun tal-Katalunja fi Spanja.
Under the umbrella of the maritime strategy of Catalonia adopted back in 2018, the government of Catalonia applies an action plan on bycatch mitigation, which gives priority to the most acute pressures in our waters, particularly on turtles and shearwaters. This action plan is structured around three axes: assessing the impacts, developing technical solutions to reduce the incidental catches of vulnerable species, and of course, engaging stakeholders on the plane of governance.
L-iżvilupp ta' għodod politiċi bħal dawn huwa bżonjus, imma liema azzjonijiet jistgħu jittieħdu hemm barra fuq livell prattiku.
We have to motivate the fishermen themselves and the local people. They have to understand that if we lose seabirds, we are not just losing beautiful creatures. What is happening is that we disturb ecosystems. We degrade the biodiversity environment. And this means at the end of the day that there will be no fish at the sea. There will be no income for small-scale fisheries.
Il-proġett LIFE PanPuffinus għandu lan li jtejjeb l-istatus ta' konservazzjoni tal-garnija u l-garnija baljarika li l-popolazzjonijiet tagħhom huma milquta mill-qbid aċċidentali f'tagħmir tas-sajd. Bħala netwerk ta' qdiet ambjentali u entitajiet governattivi mifrux mal-Mediterran qed naqdu l-isforzi tagħna biex nifhmu aħjar l-impatti tal-bycatch fuq dawn iż-żewġ speċi u nidentifikaw is-soluzzjonijiet. Qed naħdmu flimkien mal-komunitajiet lokali madwar ir-reġjun billi ninvolvu lis-sajjieda f'miżuri ta' mitigazzjoni li qed jiġu ippruvati u li huma metodi sempliċi li jgħinu biex titnaqqas il-bycatch. It-tnaqqis tal-qbid aċċidentali tal-għasafar tal-baħar f'tagħmir tas-sajd fl-ibħra tagħna jippreżenta sfida, imma huwa xi ħaġa li tista' ssir realtà jekk naħdmu flimkien. Dan il-proġett huwa koffinanzjat mill-Unjoni Ewropea.